They're trying to trick me, I get it.
I don't like these questions.
Okay, so to the right means positive, so 1.9.
It's funny because I was listening to his numbers and your numbers, I'm like, wait, what?
9750.
I'm staring at the chart.
I heard 7.
So would it be,
No, but to the right, so it's positive. Out beyond.
see,
To the right, it's positive.
see? Why he released it.
See?
He released it.
It's to the right. So it's positive.
Yeah, but he wants that one. He wants that. We usually take that. When we found this one, A, the first time, we were taking everything that way. But we want, he, now
So
he's
it's the
asking.
opposite. no?
Yeah, that's what I was saying in the beginning, it was confusing, remember?
One. So that's okay, out beyond means.
Yeah, so we're gonna,
You get to see your minus 10. Oh, yeah, it's 6.
and, you know, either.
1.6.
B.
And internal starting point 6 standard deviations to.
So you end on this.
The funny thing is, Stephanie, this goes on forever. It does, actually. This doesn't stop.
So is this a trick
Theoretically,
question?
this never ever touches
Seems like a
0.
trick question. I
It
feel
is.
like it's a trick question.
But the probability gets smaller and smaller. This does. If I want to accurately write this, I gotta see.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
On goes, this goes on.
Yeah, but the probability keeps getting smaller and smaller and smaller, that's what.
But all of this probability from here to infinity adds up to a tiny, tiny amount.
Okay, so yeah,
Yeah, alright,
that makes sense.
okay. I think I'm alright.
Alright, so we're looking for the area under the curve out beyond 1.96. What do we have for answer, team 1?
0.025%.
Correct. That's what team 2 got. That's what you got here, right, Henry? Alright, 2.5%. Excellent.
Finish me.
Alright,
I'm still reading it, I don't understand.
how about interval starting at 0.6, standard deviations to the right of the mean, and ending 1.6 to the right of the mean. So this,
It's a lot. Why don't
This
we
here.
didn't, we're still doing that.
okay. So let's do it together.
Sure.
Okay.
So let's look at 0.6. What do we find when we see 0.6 on that table?
0.7257.
Alright, so that means 72% of the data below 0.6. So let's use a different color here. Let's use red here. So 72%, this red part is 72%. So we know that the part above that is 28%.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, but what we don't know is we need to subtract off this part in order to get just the part in the middle. Alright, so we know that this is 72%. 72%. Alright, your words, not mine. And
1 point.
what? How do we calculate this part?
So wouldn't we find the 1.6, what
Yeah.
it says here, and then subtract the 72 from it?
Yeah.
Or no?
Yeah, we'd find this
Oh,
and subtract, and take 100 minus this minus this. Yeah, we
Okay.
could do that. Oh yeah, no, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right. You're right. She said, yeah.
because it's everything,
So,
it would be
yes.
1 point.
There are many ways to do that. What
Okay.
you said was absolutely right. You look at 1.6, find that probability, subtract 72, you're done.
Okay.
And what do you get when you look at 1.6?
1 point.
6 is
94.
94.52.
minus 72.
It is,
21.95.
Wait, it's 1.6.
How much?
Oh.
Henry?
21.95?
I like it.
94.50.
So this right here is 21.95, close to 22% of the data is between these two z-scores.
21 what?
21.95? All right, excellent work. I mean, I'm really glad we invested some time learning that. Z-scores, understanding that table is the key to what we'll do. And just to give you, words of encouragement, when I was doing the final review last quarter, I got questions about how to read the Z-table. And I was a little bit worried as we're going into the final, people were asking me these questions. And, maybe people are just confused, they're ironing things out, and, no one really did terribly on the final. But since you know this now, this is going to serve you very well going forward. All right, so between now and next week, you're going to look at the homework problems, practice those, try some of the Excel problems, or do the Excel problems because you'll need to submit the Excel for homework. You'll need to do the quiz, which will be questions associated with this material. And to prepare you for the quiz, the homework should help and the Excel problems should help. And if you have time, just glance maybe at the slides or the reading or the homework associated with class 2.
So the quiz opens today and closes?
Yes, yes,
When does
yes.
it close?
Yep. Well, I'll leave it open just in case, but try to have it done before you come to class.
Well, yeah, no, definitely before. I just want to make sure it's not like by the Saturday or Sunday
Before.
class.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so okay.
So just make sure you do the quiz before we pop up here on Wednesdays.
Yes, yes.
So the homework
yes.
is this, right?
All right, great work. And of course,